is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be checking out AutoSeal's 2-in-1 conversion paint. This takes a rusty surface and basically you can paint right over it. So let's go ahead and check this product out and see what it's all about. So let's get started. This is what the product looks like in the can. Not too fancy labeling or anything like that. AutoSeal's 2-in-1 rust conversion paint. Apparently turns it this color, so that looks like a mill scale type deal, or a dark gray or black even. How to use: clean and sand the metal surface. Apply rust inhibitor and metal primer evenly. Let it dry for 24 hours before applying another coat. Use in a well-ventilated area. You store in a cool, dry place. It contains contact with the skin. Rinse and clean water. Test on a small area before full use. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up and we're gonna apply it like regular paint with probably just a brush. This Go-Kart is really rusty, so we're gonna see what this is all about. Throw a nice little coat on her. Hopefully it protects it against some rain in the future or rust in the future. I've seen products like this before. It's usually like I think a corrosion seal or something like that, which might do the same thing. Basically just a paint you put over rust and it's good to go. I should have probably shook this. Whoa. It smells like paint, just regular like house paint. So all we're gonna do, guys, it says to like wipe this or sand this surface. The whole purpose of me wanting to do this was not to really do that and sand it or anything like that. I just wanted to see what would happen over the rust. So I should probably just blow this off and get the dust off it. So the main purpose of this is to basically not have to do a lot of work like sandblasting or sanding or anything like that. So all we're gonna do is basically apply it right onto a rust. We're gonna go ahead and try a small spot just to see what it's gonna look like. Just looks like black paint. I don't know how this stuff is going to keep it from rusting or if it just looks like paint. Got some rust over here. But you can kind of see it's all little spotty stuff like that. But yeah, just covering it up. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. We're gonna go ahead and stop for tonight. I didn't paint all of it, and we're gonna just wait 24 hours to see what it kind of dries up to be. It looks like it's gonna be like a matte black, or like a matte grayish black, which I like the color of it. Actually, I love the color of that. It's like a dark mill scale kind of color. So we're gonna just see, and then I can go ahead and paint the rest of it tomorrow in the daylight. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Should have really did a walk around before I started painting that stuff, but I'll give you guys a walk around of this Go-Kart. A flux cord there, that's why it looks so splattered and ugly. I really did not want to clean it up or brush it or anything. Just leaving it how it is. I don't care about it. It's still a prototype. Kind of want to perfect it a little bit better, so that's why I don't care about it. I might chop it and change some stuff, but yeah, this is what the Go-Kart looks like. So yeah, it's just a Predator 212 with just a fancier carburetor that you get on Amazon. Got the exhaust off Amazon. I think that's for like a motorcycle. Welded her on, put some wheelie wheels on here because this thing does do a wheelie. But yeah, it was sitting in the rain, it got really rusty, and I kind of like that rust mill scale look, but I also want it to kind of last a little bit. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and just wait till tomorrow. Oh yeah, and this pops up too, which I'm like, kind of like, you gotta kind of jiggle it. There, pops off, so you have access to the engine. So the color is starting to turn like a matte and finish, and seems like a chalky kind of, yeah, matte chalky finish. I do like that a lot. I do like that color. I think that this is gonna look good if I do the whole thing like this. I do like that rustic look, but I do like that color too. So far, so good. And none of this, well, those streaks are kind of staying there, but I think when this dries up, you won't see any of those paint streaks, which is another thumbs up. So it is the next day, about probably 12 hours later. You can kind of see it, for the most part, those streaks didn't come through, but you can, if you really look, you can kind of see some. But it's like I said, it's like a chalky finish. I do like it. I do like that color too. So we're gonna go ahead and just keep painting it. So far, it's working. It goes on really easy. It dries really nice. Like I said, just put some on here earlier. It's already dry. It's like a water kind of base. Obviously, it doesn't work on chrome. Again, don't judge me for my paint job. I just want to apply this so it doesn't rust. Don't care really how it looks. But yeah, I do like that look versus that rusty look. Kind of looks better to look at. But yeah, this stuff is working great, guys. I would go check out this product. This would work great if you had a, like I said, underneath your vehicle, like a super rusty, or like around your hitch area. Oh, let's go apply some on my hitch. So here's my hitch. You can see it's super rusty, flaking off. And yeah, we're gonna just go ahead and just try to rip all that stuff. I should probably put a grinder to this. Trip some of this stuff off. But you can see it's really beat the hell. So we're gonna go ahead and just apply this. Get a good amount here. Repaint. It's probably gonna flake right off the paint, but on the steel, we're not even cleaning it off, just applying it. Hopefully it's thick enough and it sticks. I'd say it would be nice if this product was like a spray can too. You get the idea though. We're gonna just paint that. Hopefully it doesn't cause any more rust in the future. Kind of help seal it up. Might have to do it next year again, but at least we applied something. I just kind of rubbed it everywhere. It's not perfect, but got all like most of the rust areas. And yeah, the bottom was pretty bad, so I just
But yeah, you could probably go ahead and start doing all that stuff to try to help that rust.
That's going to be it for today, guys. If you guys are interested in Auto Seal's 2-in-1 conversion paint, the link will be in the description below. You guys saw me open the product and apply it to my go-kart and my vehicle. It is super easy. Anyone can do it. I do really like this product. I really like the finish of it. Hopefully it does really protect my rust from spreading anymore. So we're gonna see, and time will only tell, but go get yourself some of this. I approve this product, and I'll see you guys in the next one.